How to turn on or turn off camera vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on vibration feedback. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After, tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Now whenever you take a shot, you can feel the camera will vibrate once. It will vibrate gently when you're pressing on the shutter button. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.